In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Notion. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so you can follow along inside your own workspace. If you use Notion to manage notes, projects, or documents, creating a folder style structure can make your sidebar much easier to organize and navigate. To begin, go to your Notion page. This is the workspace where your existing pages are already listed. Once you're there, take a moment to look at the left-hand column because that's where most of this process will happen. Notion keeps your pages in that sidebar, and this is also where you can create a new parent page that works like a folder for holding other pages. Next, move your mouse over the pages section in the left-hand column. When you hover there, you should see a plus icon appear. Click that add page icon to create a new page. This new page will become the folder-like container you'll use to group related pages together. After that, type in the folder title you want. Choose a name that clearly describes what you plan to store inside it. For example, you might use a name based on a project, topic, or department. Giving it a clear title now will make it easier to find later, especially if your workspace starts to grow. Once you've entered the title, click on the add icon. This lets you customize the page further. In this case, you're going to give it a folder style icon so it stands out visually in your sidebar and is easier to recognize at a glance. Now type the word folder into the search bar. This will help you quickly find the right icon without scrolling through lots of options. Using search is the fastest way to get exactly what you need, especially if you want your workspace to look neat and consistent. When the folder icon appears, click on it. This assigns the icon to your new page. At this point, your page now looks and functions more like a folder. Even though in Notion it is technically still a page, the visual icon simply helps you identify it as a place for storing related content. Finally, look back to your pages in the left-hand column and drag the pages you want into the newly created folder. As you move pages underneath it, they'll become nested inside that main page, which helps keep your workspace clean and structured. That's it. You've successfully created a folder in Notion and organized your pages into it.